If you're applying for a UK spouse visa, your supporting documents are the most critical part of your application, more important than the information you enter on the form itself. Yet, many applicants fail to submit them correctly, leading to delays and even refusals. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to submit your supporting documents based on where you're applying from, so you can avoid common pitfalls and get your application processed as smoothly as possible. If you're applying for a UK spouse or partner visa, the process for submitting supporting documents depends on the country you're applying from. Years ago, all documents were sent directly to UKVI in Sheffield, but that's no longer the case. Today, document submission is outsourced to third-party companies. VFS Global, for the majority of applications made outside the UK, and UKVCAS for applications made inside the UK. UKVCAS now uses TLScontact's online platform for booking biometric appointments and facilitating self-uploading of documents. Each of these companies has different submission methods, and choosing the right one can make a huge difference in how smoothly your application is processed. Let's go through them. Scanning service at the Visa Centre. With this method, you bring all your supporting documents to your biometric appointment, where Visa Centre staff scan them. Some centres charge a fee for this service. However, you must have all physical documents with you, which isn't always practical, especially since many documents come from your UK sponsor. These must be sent to you well in advance to ensure everything is ready on the day of your appointment. Self-upload service on the company's platform. This allows you to upload your supporting documents electronically before your biometric appointment. It's one of the most convenient methods, especially if you already have scanned copies of all required documents. However, this must be done before your appointment. If you forget or fail to upload all necessary documents in time, you may have to rely on an alternative submission method, which could delay your application. Walk-in scanning service. Another option, available in some countries, is the walk-in scanning service. This allows you, your UK sponsor, or a legal representative to visit a visa centre and have your documents scanned in person. It offers flexibility but typically comes with an additional fee. If you're considering this method, check in advance if it's available in your country. Postal scanning service. Lastly, some applicants have the option to send their documents by post for scanning, depending on the country they are applying from. This can be useful if you're unable to visit a visa centre. However, this service is not available in all locations, typically comes with an additional fee, and may extend processing times. Can you submit extra documents after your biometric appointment? One of the biggest concerns applicants have is what happens if they forget to submit an important document. Unfortunately, there is no official provision to send additional documents. It is only really if the UKVI contacts you or your legal representative directly to do so when they are assessing your application, and this is not always guaranteed to happen. If you're unsure whether you've included everything you need, I strongly recommend seeking professional immigration advice before submitting your application. Before you submit your spouse visa application, make sure you're fully prepared. We've created a free guide and email series that breaks down the key documents you need, expert tips to strengthen your application, and common mistakes that lead to refusals. You can download it now, just click the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.